In this video, we'll show you a very quick and easy way to drastically improve the security of your WordPress installation. Our experience has shown that in over half of all the security incidents against WordPress installations, the hacker was able to directly log into the WordPress dashboard with administrative credentials. There are a number of ways through which hackers can obtain or generate such administrative login credentials. For example, this could be done through malware running on one of the devices used by the actual users, through a vulnerability at one of the plugins or theme installed on the WordPress website, via brute force attacks against the WordPress login page, and more. One very effective way to protect your WordPress installation against such attacks is to add a second layer of protection to your WordPress dashboard. In that way, even if the bad guys have administrative username and password, they won't be able to access the dashboard at all, as that second layer of protection will stand in their way. It also keeps you safe from brute force attacks. To set it up, you just need to password protect the WP login script of your WordPress installation. The ICD-Soft control panel allows you to easily do that. Go to the WordPress manager and click on the Manage button next to your WordPress installation. Scroll down to the Tools section and click on the Manage button next to Dashboard Login Protection. You can see that this will protect the WP login.php file, so you just need to add a username and password. You can use the password generator tool to easily generate a strong password. Press the Add button. From this point on, you would have to enter these login credentials just to get to your WordPress dashboard. So if you go to the URL of your dashboard, which is typically at your domain/wp-admin, so I'll enter hectohaas.com/wp-admin, and you can see that I'm first prompted to enter these extra login credentials we just set up. If you enter incorrect username or password, you won't be able to get to the actual WordPress login page at all. And if I enter the correct credentials, then I'll be presented with the actual dashboard login page without having to enter my WordPress username and password. Keep in mind that this could be tricky for WordPress installations with many users, as you'd have to provide them with these additional credentials as well. Still, this is a very effective and yet easy to implement way to improve the security of your WordPress installation, so if possible, we strongly recommend that you take a minute to apply it. Thank you for watching this video.